Hi, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Sarah, and we're the Global Geezers.
It's travel day! Yay!
Our first one in a long time.
The first one in about 5 months. We have a flight from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to Singapore. And then from Singapore, we hope to get on a flight to London. But we're on standby, so we hear that the Changi Airport in Singapore is spectacular, and it's a good place to hang out for a 9-hour layover, if you can get on at all. We'll see if we can get on to both flights today. If not, we'll just have to enjoy them all and stay in Singapore for a day. This is an interesting one because Sarah had knee surgery, and this is her first real test on the knee.
Yep, first travel day for the knee, so it's a new experience, and we'll see how it goes.
Yep. We're going to take you with us and show you everything that we see. Well, not everything we see. We'll show you what we can. Let's go.
Make sure I got all my stuff.
Anything we're missing? Hello, speak now or forever hold your peace. We're not coming back. Priority pass.
Chicken curry. A little bit of spice.
Breakfast. Yeah, they got some trains. We don't have to go on the train. It's a unique airport that you do your bag screening and check in at the gate. She's getting priority seating and priority boarding. Nice. In-flight refreshments, water, some peanuts, and some cake. Our booking trick worked where when we booked the flight, we booked a aisle and a window seat and hoped that nobody would want to book a seat in between us. And it worked. We're flying over the Malacca Strait right now, which is between Indonesia and Malaysia. And you can see all the ships passing through the Malacca Strait down below. Not much room for this seat between my legs and the seat in front of me. It's got a nice tray table, and it's got a place to put your personal items, like a phone. I put my iPad mini there and played some games. But yeah, it's a short little flight, about an hour from Kuala Lumpur to Singapore. Welcome to Singapore. Just landed. We got to collect our luggage and go through immigration. Now the waiting begins. We have a 9-hour layover here in Singapore, and we gotta hope we can get on to our next flight. We fly standby with the next airline, so fingers crossed, or else we'll be spending the night in Singapore. They have a new immigration system here, which is really nice. We got through real quick. Yeah, I think you can see it behind me.
Pretty. Such a clean place.
Yes.
Gotta bend my knee.
Yeah.
Keep it moving, pliable.
All right, this is Terminal 2 departures. We got to go to level 3 so we can go see the Jewel. That's cute. That's how you get around the terminals here. This is departures out of Terminal 1. We're gonna go see the Jewel, which is supposed to be their piece de resistance here at the airport. Some dancing teardrops. Neat dragonflies, floral dragonflies. The Jewel is kind of like a mall. So there's a mall around the Jewel. We're gonna show you the Jewel right now. Well, we'll show you the mall first and then Jewel. I don't know, it's something like that. This is the mall portion, obviously. What do you think?
Pretty. It's really misty.
Because it's hot here.
Yeah, it is hot.
This is down a couple floors where the Jewel dumps its water. They have a food court down in the basement, but they don't really do anything for travelers with suitcases. They want you to leave your suitcases outside. I'm not gonna leave my suitcase outside. Sorry. Tell us what we're doing.
So we found a ramen and gyoza restaurant in the Terminal 1 Changi, and we'll see how it is. We ordered a few different types. Yay!
We like gyozas. There's smatcha. It's not a very big place. It's called Kyalami, starting with a small ramen. Well, some of the gyozas have come out, not all of them. That's a chili crab, and the other one's just a regular gyoza. That's a tomato gyoza. We have one more. It's a satay gyoza. They all look yummy. And that is satay gyoza. They're all there and delicious. Lounge number 2. Got on our flight, but not the best seats. It's going to be a long 14-hour flight in the middle of the plane, in the middle of the section, in the middle of everything. Yeah. Yay. But we got on. We got lots of shopping in this mall, in this airport. Gotcha. I found that popcorn. Oh my god, that's good. Garrett. Sarah's happy we got the upgrade. Yes. 14 hours in premium economy as opposed to coach. That'd be nice. A lot nicer. Right next to the bathroom. Place to stand. Much more legroom than the last flight. Shouldn't be too bad for 14 hours. So how you doing so far? Good. 13 hours so far on the second flight. She's still hanging in there. Way to go.
Next transit arrives in 1 minute for B gates. Second stop, arrivals baggage regate.
All the bags made it. Yay! Now we get to go to King's Cross. This is the baggage claim area in Heathrow Terminal 5.
So with our bags in tow, we're stopping off at the toilets in the baggage claim area and freshening up and emptying our bladders, and we'll be en route to King's Cross. So it's about between 45 minutes and an hour on the tube to get to King's Cross, and then from there we have a wait before our train goes up north. And there's a pub that we always like to go to. It's very comfortable. The food's good. They have Guinness. So we're gonna go up there and just kind of chill a little bit. Hopefully we can find a place next to a plug where we can plug our stuff. If not, I know we'll have plugs on the train, so we'll see.
Platform 9 3/4 at King's Cross for all you Harry Potter fans. We're at one of our favorite pubs. It's actually in King's Cross train station. It's called the Parcel Yard. And anytime we're heading up to Hartlepool, we'll stop here and wait for our train from here, and we can get beer, food. Really good.
And I found a bench with pillows. I'm gonna set my knee up here. Oh, yeah.
And as you can see, it overlooks the tracks. What'd you get?
I got peach and prosciutto bruschetta. Sounded yummy. And a fried egg on the side.
And I got the full English breakfast with black pudding, yes. Yep, that's the place right there. Go and enjoy a pint and tell them Kevin sent you.
Because everybody knows his name there. Not.
This is a safety announcement. It is not permitted to cycle, skateboard, or
Well, our train canceled. The wonders of travel. So we're waiting for the next train to go. They wanted to put us on a different train, but that was packed. There's no way we would have fit. So now we're waiting for the next train. And hopefully this one will go. We'll see. York, one of our favorite stops. Oh,
It's the next day.
it is.
We're showered and refreshed, so we're finishing it
Yes.
a little bit later. But
Yeah.
overall, it was long, but it went okay. It could have been worse.
After 39 hours from door to door, how's your knee?
It's very tired, stiff, but I think it did pretty good, all things considering.
Good. It was a success.
Yeah, I wouldn't recommend it if you had the same kind of surgery that I had. If you can delay it or maybe break it up into smaller parts, maybe travel to another place that's not too far away and then stay there for a little bit and then make another journey another day, that would be ideal, I think. If I were to, redo it, I would say kind of try to break it up into smaller pieces.
So you don't want them to bite off more than they can chew. That's what you're saying. To just kind of condense it.
Nutshell, yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Sarah. That's it for this episode. We will be in a new country next time you see us, other than England, because we're moving on from England. And we'll see you next week with that episode. But until then,
Bye.
We're on standby, so yeah. But this is a beautiful airport to hang around in.
Yeah, this morning we.
I think dia orang ni cakap pasal Cik Tia. Siapa lagi mana-mana tu biarlah.
Our booking trick. Our booking trick. So it was.